What is up, guys? Madden Savage here, back with another video, and today we are on the hunt for Antonio Cromartie and Rob Gronkowski Ultimate Legend. I've been waiting for this Ultimate Legend for a while. Rob Gronkowski, best tight end in the game as of right now, I think, honestly. And there's my auction. So gather the rookie version and collectibles to train them up to their higher overall and sets. Also, be on the lookout for the boss version and packs until 5 a.m. March 29th, which is what I want. I want some boss legend pools. And today, I will do a 100k pro pack opening, so let's just get on to the video. So, we start off right off the bat with Kenny Vaccaro. Not too good, not too bad. Oh, there we go. Robert Quinn, 88 defensive end. Already off to a good start with an elite. That's what I'm talking about. More auction selling. More packs to open. Oh, Eric Tomlinson. He is so good. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, next pack. Oh, we get an Easter egg. It's actually not that bad. I'll take my Easter eggs. Ooh, Ray Malaluga. It's not that bad of a pull. 3 Archer, Micah Hyde. Dwayne Harris. Raphael Bush. Nothing too crazy going on. If we can pull Rob Gronkowski, I will freak out of pro packs. Or Antonio Cromartie, I'll take both of them. Or if we can get any of their collectibles or anything. Another Easter egg. That might have been their profitable pack right there. So far we've only got one elite, which is not too good. Oh, and we get a position collectible. Let's go. We'll see how much that goes for at the end. Anyways, that was a nice pool. Might go for like a good chunk of coins, like a nice 40k, because he's the newest one. And we get another egg. That's what I'm talking about. I'm loving this Easter egg promo because it doesn't cost many coins to do anything. Joe Webb. Down to the last pro pack, but I have some auctions sold, so claim those real quick. And we get an Easter egg again. So we'll claim these. See, I'm making so many coins off of this. I got those all free from the Easter live, and I'm just grinding those out with cash and stamina. Tom Savage, Kelvin Benjamin, and an Easter egg. Yep, that's probably a profitable pack right there. Last pro pack. Can we get boss Rob Gronkowski? Oh, another Ben Tate. So, no Gronkowski this video, but let's go see how much Rashad Jones positional goes for. So, Jones. Let's type in Rashad collectible. Okay, so we can do that. Let's see, I saw one. Let's see if there's 25k. So it wasn't even that good of a pull, guys. It's probably going for about 15k, I'm gonna guess. Yeah, 10k, 9k. I'm gonna throw it up on the auction for 8.5k, so that wasn't even that good of a pull. But out of that pack opening, we only got one elite. So I'm just gonna do the trade-in set and stuff. and we'll throw that up on the auction for 8.5K. Now let's go look at that Gronkowski so it's not a short video. If anyone's pulled him yet. Ooh, 3 people have already pulled 3.5K. That looks like a snipe. 3.5 million, I mean. It looks like a snipe. Yeah, look at that. 92 speed, 92 acceleration, 88 awareness, 93 strength. Not the best blocking stats, but 99 catch. I'm pretty sure he has 99 catch in traffic, if I'm not mistaken. On December 4th, 2011, Gronkowski scored 3 touchdowns, 31-24 over the Colts. He got 2 TDs and added 1 career rushing touchdown as a game-winning score. So yeah, we'll look at the Cromartie. I've already looked at him. I know people have pulled him. His card looks like a beast. 99 speed, 99 man coverage, 94 zone, 92 play recognition, 95 acceleration, 99 agility. That is crazy. His block setting is probably crazy. But yeah, that's it for the video, and peace.